Hi friends, welcome to Lion Shabir official YouTube channel. This video only for who are coming to Penukonda to watch Penukonda Hill. Please adjust with my excellent English. Who are coming from Bangalore, lot of people confusing with that map, showing wrong location. In this video, I am showing exact location how to go to Penukonda Fort. In this video, I will show. Please watch carefully. From Bangalore, you are coming like this in this road. This is Penukonda entrance. This is Penukonda entrance. From here, only 1 kilometer. I think only 800 meters. We have to go to Penukonda road. We will go now, and please watch. This is the Penukonda entrance. From here you have to go only 1 kilometer. No need to go Penukonda town. Here only you can see one board. Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple. This is the way to go Penukonda Fort. This is the Bangalore to Penukonda road. From here you have to go left. This is the Penukonda Hill road. From this side, this is from Anantapur. This way is from Anantapur. From this road, you have to go right. ఎవరైతే బెంగళూరు కాకుండా ఇక్కడ చుట్టుపక్కల అనంతపూర్ సైడ్ నుంచి వస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళకు రైట్ సైడ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి బస్ స్టాండ్ ఉంటుంది. బస్ స్టాండ్ నుంచి ఇట్లా వచ్చేసి స్ట్రైట్గా ఇక్కడ రైట్ సైడ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. చూడండి, లొకేషన్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఈ రోడ్లో వెళ్ళాలి. You can see landmark fire station is there. This is the way to go Penukonda Fort, Penukonda Hill Road. Please watch and share this video. Lot of people who are coming from Bangalore, bike riders, other people are also confusing with this map location, showing wrong location. Lot of people going to Penukonda town and asking to everyone how to go Penukonda Hill. So in this video you don't have to go Penukonda town. I showed simple way from entrance to only 800 meters to 1 kilometer only distance. You can get Penukonda Hill Road. So please share this video to all bike riders and all other people also. Thank you.